Hey, what's up guys, AverMedia here. It's Christmas, and that means I got some things to unbox, and by that I mean I've got like 3, and only one of them is going to be in this video, and that would be one of my favorites of all of them, and hopefully it works this time, because the other 3 didn't work. A capture card. Yes! Finally! So I'm going to be unboxing this today, and then making a video hopefully, and trying to get it to work. And I've got a knife here with me. No, it's not my mom's kitchen knife. It's my knife. My knife. And we're gonna cut this open, and then see what goodies lurk inside. And though we sort of already know what's inside, considering we just looked at the box, but that stuff doesn't matter now, right? But you know what? No, I am going to come down here. Yes, I'm wearing Call of Duty socks. Okay, don't judge me. I'm gonna come down here, cut that, and then tear the plastic off. I no longer require your assistance, knife. And we're gonna tear the plastic off. Oh my god, the box feels so boxy. That's great. And then slide this off. Right there on top, we've got the capture card itself. We'll take this plastic off. And it feels very, very nice. Look at that. Come on, camera, focus. So we've got the HDMI ports. These switch if you want to use a PC to record, or if you want to just save the video to an SD, which I have got right here. But anyway, look at this. And the last capture card I had didn't include instructions, so of course it didn't frickin' work. See, we got the in and out HDMI ports, we've got the AV cables, the audio, and the SD slot, which has a protective cover on it, and a USB port to upload videos or use it in your computer, and the light to tell you if it's working or not. So we're going to set that down right here and see what else is in the box. Just going to take this plastic off. Looks like we got a broadcaster gift certificate. I'm going to put this somewhere else because it's probably got a code in it, and I don't want to see you guys. I don't want that to be shown on camera. This box is frickin' boxy. Thank you, everything. We have got a user manual and possibly instructions. And by possibly, I mean they are instructions. When I saw a user manual, I was looking at the disc and I thought that it was going to be a disc, and it's not. But it probably is. So that's more parts of the box. And we got this tiny box right here. Inside of the box that says a lot of random numbers on it. That's good. So we'll see what we got in here. Pull the tab. Then open. Oh yeah, we got all sorts of cables. This is going to be fun. And a little pocket zipper to keep it in. That's good. Alright. So this stuff is really all that. This stuff is boring. You guys don't want to see that. So we'll take a look at the pocket. Just fell over. Well, I'm just going to make that the end of the video then. Okay, we're out.